Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to enable Quick Tap Gesture on your Google Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL. You can use the Quick Tap Gesture to quickly access any application from the back tap of your device, double tap on the back of your phone. Also take a screenshot and many more functions. So let's see how to use the Quick Tap Gesture on your Pixel 10 series or any other Pixel device running the latest Android 16 version. By default, turn off the Quick Tap Gesture. To enable it, open the app drawer, tap the settings app. Now scroll down until you can see the system. Tap on a system on your device. Now tap on the gesture on your phone. Tap on the gesture. Here you can see quick tap to start action at the top. By default, toggle off this option. So you need to first toggle on the option. Now you can see the list of options. Using quick tap gesture, you can take a screenshot, access your digital assistant, play or push any media, music player, see recent application, show notification, Google on the torch bar, flashlight. Also open specific application on your device. Like here we select the application Google Chrome on my device. Now double tap on the back of phone and you can see access the Google Chrome. Quick tap detected, you can see. Now go back. Now double tap and you can see quickly access the Google Chrome on my device. So quite easy to access your favorite function using the quick tap action. Now we select the take a screenshot option. Now go back and double tap on the back of your phone and take a screenshot on your device. Let's see. Now you can see take a screenshot using the quick tap gesture. So quite helpful feature to quickly access any function by tap the back of your phone twice on your Pixel device. So enable this feature and you can access your favorite function by the double tap on the back of your phone Pixel 10 series. That's it. If you like it, share it. Also hype it if you like this video. Thank you for watching this.